2007 Chevy Avalanche 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. It's got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single. Then 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. And we added something special on this one, a FLOWMASTER Outlaw. Part number 815425. Again, it's a FLOWMASTER Outlaw 815425. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. And then we also added 6-inch roll tip. Took the resonator off, put a 6-inch roll tip by 18. We'll see if we can find a link to in the description for that too. Came out really nice, and that 6-inch tip gives it a really nice deep tone. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. That's what it looks like. Boom. Oh, hey. That's it, right? Give me sound. Sound decibels. Go ahead. Give it a little bit higher. Rev it higher. Man, that is so deep. Yeah, 104, 105. That's not bad at all. Go ahead and back it up. I like it. That tip helps it because we couldn't do the duals on it. That makes up for it. But that bigness of the size of that tip, that's what gives it that deeper sound too with the Outlaw. Let you guys hear it on the inside. There it looks. Man, that's beautiful. You like it?
She said you can't come to the neighborhood.
Oh, that's perfect. How you doing? Avalanche 2007. Got some halos on that. They look good on it. FLOWMASTER Outlaw.